Are you tired of viewers clicking away because your Loom video plays at the wrong speed? Set a recommended playback speed in Loom in under 2 minutes. We'll start in the library, open the video settings, head to Audience, and pick 1x from the recommended speed dropdown.
All right, start by clicking on Library to open up your video list. Then find the video you want to use and click on it to open it up. Now click Settings to open the options. Next, go to the Audience tab. Look for the option labeled Recommend a Playback Speed. Click the drop-down for speed options. Finally, choose 1x from the drop-down. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.